Feroz, it's day 2 now of the Aam Aadmi Party National Executive Meeting, which was held in Delhi today. All eyes on how the party is dealing with the rift between its founding members Yogendra Yadav, Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal now. But ahead of that National Executive Meeting, Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav met with Arvind Kejriwal to address various issues. Kejriwal told NDTV Sonal Mehrotra, saying there is no rift, all differences have been sorted out.
दोनों के इस्तीफे राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी ने नामंजूर कर दिए हैं और दोनों लोग फिर से जिन जिन दायित्वों पे थे, जिन जिन जिम्मेदारियों पे थे, उसी तरह से वो पार्टी के लिए काम करते रहेंगे.
Stung by a bitter infighting, Aam Aadmi Party in damage control mode. Its convener Arvind Kejriwal is hoping his damage control mission will stem the divide. Mediated by Prashant Bhushan, who managed to get party leader Yogendra Yadav and Kejriwal to meet and try sorting out their differences.
I'm very happy that in our party these issues can and have been discussed in ways that don't happen in other political parties.
But the bitterness remains.
He almost blamed you for a lot of things. Have you been able to, defend yourself perhaps in the National Executive, or were those questions asked to you?
Yes, that was very sharp letter. Yes, I personally would have liked it not to be written in that tone.
On Friday, the party, already reeling due to the exit of prominent leaders like Shazia Ilmi and Captain Gopinath, also faced an attack from Yadav, one of the senior-most leaders. Yogendra Yadav, a key strategist of the party, had written to the Political Affairs Committee, charging the party with falling prey to the personality cult, that of Arvind Kejriwal. He was countered by his party colleague Manish Sisodia, who sprang to Kejriwal's defence and hit back at Yadav for making internal matters public, underscoring the rifts. After this morning's meeting, Kejriwal tweeted, and I quote, "Yogendra Yadav has raised some important issues. All of us will work on it. Yogendra Yadav is a very dear friend and a valued colleague. Had a long discussion with him." In an off-camera interaction with NDTV, Arvind Kejriwal indicated that the party could be looking at expanding its PAC and also the National Executive. This comes in the backdrop of Yogendra Yadav and several leaders raising the point of the party going away from its core issue of Swaraj, and where decisions were being taken inside closed doors. Also, Arvind Kejriwal said that he had ironed out all differences within the party and that he also tried to reach out to Shazia Ilmi, but she refused to pick up his phone call. From its rise in the assembly elections to abandoning the people who elected the Aam Aadmi Party to office in Delhi and growing dissent within, the party seems to have gone off track. The hope this national executive has is to bring back the focus of its original agenda and work once again to rebuild voters' trust and reclaim Delhi in the next assembly polls. In New Delhi with camera person Rakesh, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.